What's up guys, I'm Ryan Woody, shift leader here at DroneUp at the North Clermont location. Today we're on a very special mission to show you our favorite stocking stuffers. DroneUp's got everything you need. Come on inside, I'll show you. First up, we got these essential gaming items, the earbuds, and our favorite Nintendo Switch game. Perfect for stocking stuffers with a little bit of tech magic. Uno. The little ones check out these awesome toys and games. We're talking about the classics and the latest hits, something for every kid on your list. The foodies in your life, we've got snacks, because who doesn't like a festive treat during the holidays? Ooh! Oh howdy. And of course, we can't forget cookies for Santa. All right, we got all of our stocking stuffers. Now let's get these goodies ready for takeoff. And there you have it, our stocking stuffers hand-picked from Walmart and ready to be delivered by drone. We might not know when exactly when Santa arrives, but with DroneUp, we will see you in 30 minutes or less.